We go to the 9th question now of this exercise. This will be the last sum. We'll be doing this exercise. The 10th question will be omitted. Let us see here. Using the information in the given figure, find the measures of angle A, angle B and angle C. Look at the figure here. You can see A, B and C are the interior angles of this triangle. Two measures of angles are given to us. Using this, we can find the measures of the remaining angles. Now, easiest for us to find is the measure of angle B because it is exactly opposite to 270 degrees, and if they are exactly opposite to each other, vertically opposite to each other, vertically opposite angles are equal. So, angle B also will be 70 degrees. So, we write angle B equal to 70 degrees. What is the reason? Because it is vertically opposite angle. Now we look here, we see that the exterior angle is given to us as 100 degree, but C we do not know. C and 100 degrees together form a linear pair, that is, they form a straight line with the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. So angle C plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree because C and 100 degree form a linear pair. So if I were to find out what is angle C is equal to 180 degree, taking 100 degree to the other side minus 100 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree is 80 degree. So same thing we'll write here. Angle C is equal to 80 degree. Now we have got angle B and angle C. The last angle we can find out, that is angle A, by using angle sum property of a triangle where the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So I can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees and write the property. The sum of all the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now angle A we do not know, so we write angle A as it is. What is angle B? We found out 70 degrees. What is angle C? 80 degrees. So I write here 70 degree plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is written as it is. 70 degree plus 80 degree is 150 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. By taking plus 150 degree to the other side, it becomes minus 150 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 30 degree. Can we confirm whether the answer is right? Yes, by adding all the angles of the triangle what we have got and see whether the sum of the measures of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. 30 degree plus 80 degree is 110 degree. 110 degree plus 70 degree is 180 degrees. Therefore, answer is right.